What's up, guys? It's about 6:30 right now. We are here just before first light. Change it into my cold wetsuit. Georgia's Georgia, it kind of, Georgia's Georgia. The waves kind of seem to do what they want. But I don't want to set my expectations too high. Deep down, I do know that with this wind, it could give some little cover-ups and maybe some closeouts, and I don't want to jinx anything, knock on wood, but you guys know what I'm saying. Actually feeling pretty decent now that I got the suit on. It was like uncomfortable for like the first minute of putting it on, but now we're good. The Botha Battail. So, yeah. I feel like I'm in an oil painting right now. Sick ones out here.
Don't know where I've been. Oh, but through the haze, that sun is slowly creeping in. When I drive through the city now, I'm stuck on a feeling. These lights have it pretty now, but I wanna see blue skies in the mirror. Yeah, I wanna see blue skies getting clearer. I wanna see blue skies in the mirror.
Yoo-hoo! What is up, guys? So we just honestly scored Tybee Island. That was really good Tybee, in my opinion. I'm so stoked. Got a couple barrels. The Botha treat me right today. Epic session. The new board feels amazing. I really, really like it. Yeah, it's just got great feel. Stall, speed, the 360s feel good, the barrels feel good. So yeah, I really like it. Headed back home. You know, today's all about early bird gets the worm. When I woke up, it was cold out. My bed was super warm. I knew that my wetsuit was cold and sandy, but you know, had to get out of my comfort zone and just go, and it paid off. So yeah, guys, if there's anything from this video you take away, it's, you know, don't be afraid to get out of your comfort zone. The reward is worth it. So, all right, guys, I'd love to hear from you. So I had a fun idea. I woke up this morning at 5:30. Let me know what is the earliest you guys have woken up for waves. I think it'd be kind of fun to hear some of the crazy times you guys have woken up to get some surf. Drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It really helps out a lot. And stay tuned for some more bodyboarding content. Yee-hoo!